Hi everyone, Mr. Shorn. I want to give you a really quick update on some vocabulary that we worked on. I don't think I did it enough justice in explaining the difference between expressions and equations, and I'm going to toss in inequalities for good measure. All right, so I'll keep the light on. So the expressions, equations, and inequalities that I gave you in a previous video, that's all good. I want to go into a little bit more depth. I think you guys deserve it. So let's go through the difference between expressions and equations, especially. All right. An expression is a math phrase. It's an incomplete sentence. It's not a sentence. The brown cow. Chocolate milk. Blue shirt. They're not a sentence. It's just an idea. We don't have a full, complete idea. What's the brown cow doing? What is the blue shirt? How much is it? Where is it? Whose shirt is it? We don't know. An expression is not going to have an equal sign. So the biggest thing is if you don't see an equal sign or any sort of symbol, it's going to be an expression. Examples of numerical expressions which are numbers are these. 4, just a number. That's an expression. 6 times 3. 5 plus 3 to the 4th power. 6 groups of 4 plus 5 minus 8. Those are all numerical expressions. No equal signs, numbers only, and we don't know what's going to go on with them. Can we find a value? Yes, we use order of operations. Algebraic expressions. Here are a couple. X, box plus 2. 3 W's raised to the 4th power. 2 half moons minus 5 tridents, whatever those symbols are, I don't know. Now, differently, we cannot use the order of operations to find the value because no one told us what the value of X is or what the box is worth or what a W or a half moon or a trident is going to be. All right. If we do know that, then we can substitute the value and we can make the same kind of simplification using order of operations. We'll substitute X for 3 if we're told that X is 3, or the box is equal to 5, or the W is equal to something else. How's that different from an equation? Okay, an equation is going to be, oops, what happened? All right, sorry, this goes a little fast. So the inequality is not a big thing we're going to worry about, all right? Just so you know, so just don't get too anxious about that. So equations are going to be math sentences. It's going to be a complete idea. There is going to be an equal sign. If there's an equal sign, there's an equation. Another way of looking at an equation is that two expressions have the same value. Numerical equations could be 4 equals 4. On the left side, the expression is 4. The right side is 4. They got the same value. 3 plus 5 equals 8. On the left side, the numerical expression has a value of 8. We can find the value of that. The right side, we already know what it is. It's 8. They have the same value. Algebraic equations have the same idea. Whatever is on the left is equal to the right. The expression on the left is equal to the expression on the right. X, the value of X, has the same value of 2. Therefore, X and 2 have the same value. X equals Y. Whatever X is, Y is 2. Also, if X is 3, then Y is 3. If X is 0, Y is 0. If X is 5, Y is 5. We're talking about that expression of sameness. 2 W's are 4. Now, we're able to find out a value for that pretty quickly. There's only one number that's going to make that work. We'll show you the process of it, even if you can do it mentally. But these are equations, equal signs, and they are algebraic because there is a symbol. Could we have had a box in there? Could we have had a Darth Vader face instead of a W? Sure. Those are all symbols. So a symbol is going to substitute for a number, A symbol could be an X, it could be a shape, it could be a cartoon, could be anything. Inequalities, we're not really going to spend a lot of time on, but I'll go through really kind of quickly. It's a math comparison, less than or greater than symbols. We're comparing values of expressions, and we're not going to really go into the whole thing, but there are basic inequalities, and there's some we can do it with algebra too. So don't worry about inequalities. It's there in case you really, 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 really needed to do it. I don't want you to worry about it at all. I do want you to understand the difference between an expression and equation, and we will be spending more time with that. All right, thanks very much.